I'm making this short video to show an issue that I have with the Shrockworks rock slider. I'm wondering if anyone else having the same issue as me, but this piece of plastic here is making contact with the slider. As you can see, it's pretty tight. This plastic here, I don't think it's part of the mud flap, but it's actually part of the wheel well fender. This plastic right here. So I can't remove it. The only way I can think of is maybe cut it out. But I'm wondering if anyone else having the same issue and how do you resolve it. It made contact and it make a squeaky noise. It's very annoying every time the vehicle flexes, going over bumps or uneven road. I get squeaky noise, or when I step on the slider to get in the car. Let me show you. So that's the sound that I hear all the time when the vehicle is flexing. Yeah, so if anyone else having this issue, and please let me know how you fix it. Thanks.